The usefulness of humanoid robots might still seem unclear to many people around the world, but their future is anything but uncertain. At Tesla, the Optimus robot is no longer just some fancy tech gadget. It might sound unbelievable, but this robot is going to change the way we live, not just in the US but everywhere. Sounds far-fetched or even silly, right? We understand, it felt the same to us at first. But after more than a year of watching and studying the Tesla bot, especially with the latest updates from the company, we're pretty confident in saying this: Optimus is going to be a true game changer. The advantages it will offer are so huge that people will be eager to get one, even if it ends up costing much more than the $20,000 Elon Musk originally mentioned. I believe that Optimus will be amazing in 5 to 10 years, so amazing it's hard to even imagine. And I'm excited to see that happen. I hope you are too. Welcome to my channel, Amp Drive. If you're excited about the future of Tesla bots and all things Elon Musk, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and support the channel. In 5 years, it's very possible you'll see Tesla bots almost everywhere, in Tesla factories, on the streets, in stores, at hospitals, in parks, or even at your neighbor's home. That's exactly what Elon Musk is aiming for, and that's why he's investing tens of billions into this robot. He sees Optimus as the fastest way to turn Tesla into a $25 trillion company. Recently, Musk shared another teaser on X saying, "So many improvements to come in the next design of Optimus." That basically tells us Gen 3 is right around the corner. Based on what we've heard, Gen 3 is going to be a major upgrade from Gen 2, packed with impressive new features that could shock the industry. When Tesla first started the Optimus project in August 2021 with that funny dancer in a robot suit, no one expected it would go this far. But just look at how much has changed since then. From that silly introduction to what we have now, an advanced humanoid robot, it's really incredible. When you compare the first prototype from September 2022 to where we are now, it's shocking how far they've come in under 3 years. Tesla has released several video updates showing Optimus's progress, and they've all been pretty impressive. But when Gen 2 was released in late 2023, things went from just impressive to absolutely groundbreaking. That launch marked a huge moment for Tesla, Elon Musk, and even future buyers, showing that the Optimus dream is becoming very real. Gen 2 didn't just look better and less clunky. It came with big performance boosts that got a lot of attention. Before diving into what Gen 3 might bring later this year, let's look back at what made Gen 2 special. First, Optimus Gen 2 moves 30% faster. It's lighter by 22 pounds, which helps it move more smoothly and saves energy. Its feet were redesigned to act like real human feet, with special sensors that help it balance and move over tricky surfaces. One of the coolest upgrades is its hands. They now have 11 degrees of freedom, up from just 5. Each finger has sensors, which means Optimus can handle fragile items like eggs without breaking them, fold laundry, or sort objects by color. Its neck was also upgraded, now offering 2 degrees of freedom for better head movement. This lets Optimus scan the area more like a human. Tesla also added their own custom-made sensors and motors, plus more efficient electronics. The design looks smoother and more natural, losing that stiff, robot look of Gen 1. The software has also gotten better. Gen 2 uses neural networks and 2D cameras to move around indoors without GPS. It can recover from slipping and complete tasks like putting parts together at Tesla factories or even serving drinks. Of course, some actions still need a bit of human help for now. Creating a humanoid robot is 5 to 6 times harder than building an electric car, especially since Tesla only has a couple of years of experience with robots. About 30% of the challenge is building and assembling the robot, but a huge 70% is about programming the AI that powers it. Optimus isn't built like most Tesla products. Around 60 to 70% of it is assembled by hand by skilled engineers, not robots on a factory line. Now let's talk about what to expect in Gen 3. We thought Gen 3 might come out late last year because Musk posted in July saying, the new Optimus design, which will be complete later this year, is something special. But the release didn't happen. Musk later explained that the hardest part is improving the design so that it's easier to manufacture and can be produced in big numbers. So now the Gen 3 version is being adjusted to look better, cost less, and be easier to build. That doesn't mean it will look cheap. Think of it more like the way Tesla updates its EVs. It'll be smarter, more attractive, and still cost-effective to make, helping Tesla sell a lot of them. One new thing only Gen 3 will have is hands with 22 degrees of freedom, double that of Gen 2. If you want a robot that can do all the stuff a person can, you need hands that can move in many different ways. Elon Musk said the new version of the arm will let the robot play the piano. That's pretty amazing. The hands have been completely redesigned. They're waterproof, have more sensors, and are covered to hide wires and parts, unlike Gen 2. Tesla is focusing a lot on these hands. Musk thinks they will be what sets the Tesla bot apart from all other humanoid robots. And they could help Optimus become the most advanced robot ever, one that can do hundreds or even thousands of different jobs. Human hands have 27 degrees of freedom, so the Gen 3 robot hands aren't far off. With these advanced hands, Optimus can fold clothes, water plants, move fragile items, put together electronic parts, carry batteries, and serve drinks. And remember, that's just with 11 degrees of freedom. Imagine what 22 can do. Another thing Gen 3 will improve is walking speed and movement. Other robots like Atlas from Boston Dynamics or Kepler 4 all have a slightly bent knee walking style like Optimus. That's on purpose, it helps them balance and stay stable. But people often joke that Optimus walks like Joe Biden. So, Tesla plans to improve this. Right now, Optimus walks at 1 meter per second, which is 2.2 miles per hour. Tesla wants to raise that to 5 miles per hour someday. They might not hit that goal right away, but Gen 3 should be faster than Gen 2. This isn't just about walking, it shows how the joints, motors, sensors, and batteries all work together. A smooth-moving robot is more useful, especially in real-life situations. Gen 3 could outperform humans in many ways. It can work 24/7, avoid mistakes, do dangerous jobs, and adapt to different tasks thanks to smart AI. Remember to hit that subscribe button if you haven't yet. You're watching Amp Drive, and we've got more deep dives into Tesla's future coming up. Elon Musk said that Optimus will be able to watch YouTube videos and learn tasks from them, just like people do. If a robot can learn to do something by watching a tutorial, then its abilities grow super fast. One robot learns to cook, and that knowledge is shared with 100 others instantly. That's how Tesla plans to grow Optimus's skills quickly without training each robot one by one. Tesla bots are meant to become a regular part of the workforce. Companies that want to stay competitive will want to use these bots to cut costs. So how will Optimus actually save money? If you had $25,000 to $50,000, would you buy a Tesla car or an Optimus bot? Let us know in the comments. Honestly, we'd go with the bot. Even next to cool cars like the Model Y, Model 3, or the upcoming affordable Tesla car, the robot might be the better choice. Why? A Tesla car helps with transport, but a robot can work for hours every day and even help you earn money. If a robot can do delivery work, small-scale production, or other money-making tasks, the income it generates could let you buy more robots and eventually even a Tesla EV. The robot pays for itself. According to some reports, a Tesla bot could save up to $83,000 a year, with a payback time of just 3.7 years. That's a great investment, especially for homes, businesses, or factories. Optimus can work about 7,000 hours a year, which is way more than a human can. And if you can't afford to buy one right away, Tesla will also offer rentals. Elon Musk said they'll start by renting out bots, and the first group of users will be Tesla employees in 2026. After that, rentals will expand to more people. Leasing makes sense. It lowers the financial pressure on customers and Tesla. It also lets Tesla monitor how robots are used and make changes as needed. It gives Tesla more control, especially in the early days when bugs and safety issues are still being worked out. Even Musk said Optimus might have a few small bugs when it first launches. He joked that it'll still be cool enough that you'll want to show it off to your friends. Leasing also makes it easier for Tesla to update the robot's software and hardware, keeping everyone on the latest version. Tesla can choose to rent or sell bots, or maybe do both based on what customers want. One thing's for sure, Elon Musk is always ahead of his time. He works over 100 hours a week across several companies and only puts money into things he truly believes will work. Humanoid robots haven't really made money until now. Most companies have failed to move robots out of the lab and into the real world. But Musk believes Tesla has what it takes to make it happen. Still, don't expect to buy a Tesla bot this year. The first few thousand will be used inside Tesla's own factories, for production, shipping, and other tasks. The goal isn't to replace people or make fast profits. It's about testing and improving the robot in real-life conditions. It doesn't really matter which company is in the lead with robots. What matters is whether these machines are truly helpful to people. Can they do simple daily tasks or are they just fancy gadgets? Most of us would love a robot that can handle chores. Optimus is getting trained using a single neural network that learns from videos of people. It's already showing signs of being adaptable. While it's starting out in factories, its future is definitely in homes too. As labor shortages grow and the need for automation rises, Optimus can be the answer. It gives humans the chance to focus on creativity and real connections, while the robot handles the boring stuff. Sure, some people expect the price to be higher than $20,000. But that's because the robot offers tens of thousands of dollars in value each year. Although Gen 3 is coming later than hoped, that delay is giving Tesla time to improve the design, add more features, and make the robot more stable and reliable. Just know, this is just the beginning. Once you have Optimus, it will be fully independent. Thanks for watching AMP Drive. If you found this video helpful or exciting, please make sure to subscribe and stay updated on Tesla's next big breakthrough.